Well, we got the rain that came a little earlier than
Yes,
typically.
we did.
Yeah, I used my wipers. I put them on high, actually. I
You
haven't
needed
had to do that
it,
in a long time. 2 inches, according to
Jeez.
one of the viewers at Palm Air. 2 inches of rainfall there. And looks like we'll get less activity tomorrow. We're going to get this drier air slipping in again for a couple of days, and then it'll get out of here. We have a new tropical storm to talk about and another one behind it that could pop up very quickly. Van Wezel webcam showing lots of sunshine before the rain came, and then a few showers, a few sprinkles, and then some heavier rainfall at times on the lens there. Looking out from the Van Wezel webcam out at Sarasota Bay. Now, pretty nice evening. Really setting up and down the coast right now. Well, here's a look at the satellite imagery showing you the clouds and showers that were around. And now, here's that dry air I mentioned. It looks like a very large upper level low with a huge area of dry air. That's going to clip us. That begins tomorrow afternoon and stays around through Saturday. Now, it looks like all that dry air that was in place for the past several days is slipping off to the west, a little return of moisture. One day only, it looks like, and then things will get back to more showers and storms by Sunday. You can see the East Coast breeze, though, still we have the chance of some rain later on this evening if this were to drift all the way over toward the west. It is moving to the west. Look at this large area of heavy rainfall into Polk County right now, just over northern sections of Hardy County, and generating some lightning, but more importantly, a tremendous amount of rain falling there. Some light rain up along I-275 near the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. The rain down south into Port Charlotte and near Inglewood has since moved on. We did get some rain from Venice. Parts of Venice did get some rainfall. Not all the area in Venice, though. And you'll notice Osprey missed it. Some showers into Sarasota, Siesta Key. This is the estimate. And the estimates aren't always right. This comes from the Doppler radar site and estimating up to about nearly 2 inches. I wanted to show you this is right at the airport. Their estimates are 3/10 of an inch, but really they got over a ½ inch at the airport. So this is off by about 2/10 of an inch, and that's about right near Palm Air, getting 2 inches there. So currently we have 88 degrees, some sunshine with some high clouds around, 75 on the dew point. The heat index has bounced back up to 98. During the rain, it had cooled down to 88. 93 the high today, 4 degrees shy of the record 97 set back in 1973. And there it is, over a ½ inch at the airport, but still below average at 2.9, so almost 3 inches below average at the airport. Tomorrow's forecast, although this looks ominous, there's only going to be a few showers around. There will be a few, not many though, and I don't think as widespread as we saw today. Well, in the tropics, we're watching this area too. This is on the back side of that dry air I showed you. This is going to kind of wrap around on Sunday. So once we get the dry air moving through, behind it on the back side of it, we're going to get all this moisture. This actually looks more impressive than our new tropical storm, which is Harvey, which is expected to stay a tropical storm as it makes its way through the islands and eventually staying west of Florida and Cuba, for that matter, heading off toward Central America near the Yucatan Peninsula or Belize. The one behind it, though, is more important that we'll have to watch. Again, all the forecast models are in agreement with this particular system, Harvey, the 8th named storm of the season, staying to the west. But it's this one that we have to keep an eye on the next 5 days. It's a 60% chance developing, and you'll notice the forecast path and track. There's Florida. There's the forecast. It's still a wide range of air there. The models are not indicating too intense of a storm at this point, although 1 or 2 still show it developing. We'll keep an eye on it for you. As far as timing goes, it would be midweek next week, it looks like. As far as our forecast goes, we're looking for a few showers tomorrow along the sea breeze front, but not many. Similar conditions on Saturday, a return of moisture and storms on Sunday as that moisture comes in from the Caribbean. East winds turn to the southwest at 5 knots only. Seas running 2 feet or less, mostly smooth out there for the most part. Water temperature now at 92 degrees, UV index at 10. The tide's upcoming. On your screen, the next high tide will be at 12:03, sunset at 8:07. And tonight, a few evening showers later on possible as that east coast works over, but not much of a chance. Tomorrow, rain chance dropping to 30%, high of 91. And it will be warm and muggy, as you would expect. And the extended forecast, dry on Saturday at 20%, and then we bounce back up quickly on Sunday, and it stays that way through the week. Back to you.